Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Regeln für S. If the alphabet after S is a vowel A, E, I, O, U, A mit Umlaut, O mit Umlaut, U mit Umlaut, then S will be ZS0, Ja. Here vowel is after S, then we can read it Zagen. Zagen. Zagen means to say. Sehen. Sehen means to see. Singen. Singen means to sing. Joggen. Joggen means to worry. Suchen. Suchen means to search. Else pronunciation of S will be Sha. Stehlen. Stehlen means to steal. Spielen. Spielen means to play. Pronunciation of double S is sa. This is asset. The pronunciation of this is sa. Thank you.